See this guy right here? Looks like a mummy. All the statues are still covered in preparation for Sunday, but today on the show, we are going to be uncovering the second annual Oscars Gown Designers Challenge, where a Kababayan Pride is also featured. Oliver, tell us a little bit about the gown.
Hi Janelle, this is my entry for the Oscars Designer Challenge. Everything that you see is made of pineapple and abaca fiber, of course, only produced in the Philippines. And this is embellished with freshwater pearls. This is a mermaid gown. So, ang aking inspiration is our folklore princess in the Philippines. You know, bago tayo matulog, di ba kinukwentuhan tayo ng mother natin about folklore. So, I envision her wearing this gown because, folklore are the protector of the forest and the ocean. So, I incorporated with my gowns. So, everything that you see is hand-woven fabric from the Philippines. Of course, sa mga kababayan natin, very familiar na sila with the pineapple. And then, incorporate ko pa siya ng freshwater pearls that they can only get in the Philippines.
You know what, Oliver? Very in ka, no? Because this is parang friendly gown.
The only gown that's made of sustainable fabric here in Oscars Designer Challenge.
Exactly. So in that aspect you're in. Pero marami rin ako nakita dito, and I spoke to Patty earlier. She said ang trend na nakikita niya din is yung asymmetrical, yung one-shoulder gowns. Why didn't you make yours one shoulder?
Because everyone is using it already. Why not do the basic sleeveless and just play around with the fabric and play around with the embellishment?
And played around, you did. I really like the design. Very detailed ang gown mo.
Alam mo, mga Filipino, mahilig tayo sa kuchi-kuchi. Mahilig tayo sa detalye because ang simpleng gown, sabi nga natin, ang mga Pilipino, ang simpleng gawa, pinahihirap. Kasi para ipakita, winning in an Oscar, it will take a lot of time and effort. And also as a designer, it will take us a lot of time and put a lot of details just to complete a gown that's perfect for the red carpet.
And so let's talk about that. A lot of time, a lot of effort. How long did it take you to complete this?
It took us a month just to finish everything. Like the skirt alone, it took us 3 weeks just to finish the skirt because everything is hand stitched and individually hand cut.
And what's nice about this is not just pineapple fabric, also abaca fabric.
Abaca fabric because gusto ko magkaroon ng ibang kulay naman at saka magkaroon ng parang volume. Kasi alam mo naman ang pineapple, manipis siya. So when you put another fabric which is the abaca, which is a little thicker, yan ang kinalabasan. At saka ito lang yata ang ivory na color among the...
At saan naman ito pinagawa?
Ginawa ito sa Philippines. But the skirt, some of the embellishment of the skirt, tinapos ko dito. Kasi, I'm very meticulous when it comes to doing the finishings. But every day, every detail na nilalagay nila sa damit, I made sure na nandun ako. Kasi, like this pearl, supposedly, hindi siya puti eh. It's gonna be like more on the peach side, like the coral. But when I saw it in the picture, because it's better to look at it in the picture also, kasi para at least alam mo kung anong itsura niya sa red carpet. So when I saw it, like, parang hindi yata siya pasok sa kulay ng pinya. So they all removed the pearls and changed it into off-white.
Wow, all the detail, all the hard work that went into the production of this gown. I know that the winner will be the designer's gown will be worn by a statuette presenter.
The model is gonna wear this, and my model is so gorgeous. She is so very cooperative. And when I explained to her kung gaano kahirap ginawa ang gown, sabi niya sa akin, Oliver, kailangan manalo tayo dito.
So, pero Oliver, ikaw meron ka ba mga naiisip, mga na-envision, mga inaambisyon na mga Hollywood stars na gusto mong bihisan?
Oo naman, Janelle. My ultimate dream is to dress up Angelina Jolie because she is my ultimate dream and muse, and I hope one of these days she will wear one of Oliver Tolentino.
Thank you so much. Go ahead, invite our viewers, anyayahan mo at kausapin mo yung ating mga kababayan na iboto ka.
Mga kababayan, ito na po ang ating entry. Finally, natapos na rin po. I'm not just representing myself, I'm representing our country. Sana naman po maibigay ko po sa kanila ang ang magandang gown at ma-appreciate nila na wow, ang indigenous fabric pala can turn into a beautiful gown like this. And para rin ma-promote natin ang sarili na ang gawang atin, which is the pineapple and the abaca, and also Philippines is known as the pearl of the Pacific, so that's why I'm embellishing it with pearls. Thank you very much.
Guys, we came up a little short today.